You might hear a lot of shouting at each other today. Oh, sorry. You alright? Gonna headbutt you a lot today. Like Dad said, I look like a moron. Morning, boys and girls. Sorry, it's a bit Blair Witch Project. I'm trying to carry all my stuff to the truck. Yeah, things never go to plan on the farm, do they? Yeah, I was hoping to get some fertiliser on. I did manage to get one field of wheat drilled. Been a busy old week, really, considering it's only Wednesday. I had some wheat seed dressed Monday morning, which will be in the video. Just show you the gravity separator. All our wheat goes for a gravity separator and gets the best stuff out that we keep for seeds.
All the heavy stuff comes off this side. All the light stuff goes up there. There's air blown underneath as well. You hand up to there, I can feel the air coming out. All the light stuff comes out here. All the good stuff goes in the bag over there. This is the end result. We'll be in the ground this afternoon, hopefully.
And now we're just going to go and get some seed potatoes all crated up into chitting crates to try and get them growing before we plant them. Always seems to work best on our land. Ugh. As you can see, it's miserable out here. I was hoping to get some more wheat drilling done and some fertiliser put on, but all we done yesterday, Monday, was get the seed dressed up. We done some potatoes, I done some drilling. Yesterday I went ditching all day, so nothing really else I can do. I had Russell Smith come in and with his saw blade. I've never seen a saw blade working before on like a hedge cutter, and it was pretty brutal. We managed to clear all our trees up and stuff all in one hit, and he was there for about 3 hours, so it would have taken me and Dad best part of a day to do what he done. So all them trees and bushes and stuff were all hanging over my dike, which I need to slub out. Yeah, Russell just went along with the saw blade and trimmed all the trees up. They were all hanging out in the field, but not anymore. And yeah, if you can see all that, I mean, look at the amount of slub and stuff that came out of that dike. This is why we do it, so they've got clean water running through the dike along here. Sorry about the finger. Yeah, so I've got more of that to do, and I've obviously got this ditch here to dig out as well, but I've got trees to clear up, and as you can see by my window wipers being on, yeah, it's not a very nice day out here, so I'm gonna keep off the fields as best I can today.
Blessings just come on, yeah.
Can you see yourself now?
Yeah.
All good? Where am I looking at? What's the camera looking at when... No, you stand there. What's the camera looking at when... Can you see it on the screen?
Yeah.
What am I looking at? Your head?
Yeah.
You got any labels or anything?
Probably some on the back there.
Right. Take your gloves off. So yeah, here we are, folks, if you can hear me. Just getting some of our Babylon crated up. Now, we were the first people to have these. We done all the trials for these for Agrico. So we were the first people in the country to have these variety. So we done all the trials, we done all the testing. We had 2 years on these before anybody knew we had them, which is pretty cool because we are the #1. And now this is why we put them in the crates. We put them all in the crates, and then the chits grow, and then we harden them off. Oh, I'm getting hit on the head. Said, watch me. There's one done. Babylon 3550. They would label them all up, but yeah. That's where the potato will open its eye. We call that the eye. That'll open up there and grow a little shoot on, ready to grow. And then we harden that off, and then they're already a couple of growth stages ahead of where we want them. Get them leveled out. Go and lay a load of crates out there, and we'll try some outside. There we go, on the forklift. And you'll see what we do in a little while, folks. We get the lights on them and give them plenty of air gap around them. And then yeah, they start growing, and the chicks harden off, and then lovely, they grow. They're like 2 weeks ahead of what we should be. So hopefully you can hear all this, but hopefully we won't be too much shouting at each other today. Me and Dad do like to argue. Let me know if anybody else argues with their parents while they're working with them. Me and Dad seem to argue about nothing sometimes. But that's just family life. Joys of being on a family farm, isn't it? Hey. I've got some labels up here. It's handy having carrots back in the day that needed a stamp. Look at that, look. Grandad carrots. Not Grandad carrots, but that's my granddad. So, pretty cool, isn't it? Oh, wrong way. You don't grow carrots anymore. Put that in there so I know what they are. Should have done this before I filled it with potatoes, but there you go. That'll do. At least it's got something in there that we just can remember what's in there. If not, it gets all confusing with 100 of these. There we go. Lovely. Right. La, 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 la. Oh, sorry. You alright? Gonna headbutt you a lot today. Like Dad said, I'm a moron. Hey! 3 high or 4 high? 3? Yeah. And we just stagger them a little bit like so. So the light gets around all 4 corners of the box. Yeah, I did see one roll out. I've got to try and save every single one of these. Poor little buggers. Come on, in you get. Getting bending down, getting harder as I get older. What, them ones? Yeah, grumpy Grandad's driving skills are not what they used to be. I think they call these things Blackburn crates. And they work pretty good. I mean, you could have ones with no middles in and put wood in there to dry out if you want it. Oh, at least it's cold and raining. Wouldn't have it any other way, would we? Hey there.
Too many in there.
Huh?
Too many.
Well, don't worry about it. Well, the more I can get in there, the less trips I have to do with everything.
I know, but that's defeating the object. It's not the point of the exercise, is that?
They'll be alright. They'll be fine.
Well chitted seed is the object.
Yeah, yeah, I know, yeah. But they're still going to be well chitted, isn't they? I mean, the air bloody lights go up to there. Alright? Did you shout something? Oh. Thought you hollered at me. Big puddle of oil there. Under here. have a load to pick up here. Need some more crates. What a lovely day. Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah, we're nearly done this load anyway. We've got more seed turning up for the weekend. See. The only thing I wish is they made the bloody crates the same size as me fork. Oh no. Is that right? I got a crate. Ow. There we are. Ugh. There we go. We're in. And we're down. Oh, a bit close to the other one. Annoying, isn't it? Well, the Agria coming on Friday. Agria?
That will be Agria. Yeah, I think there's a full load of Agria. No, they can't be.
Well, they've got to be, isn't there? There's got to be another full load of these and, well, another half load of each and one load of Agria. You've ordered...
I want 2 full loads. One of each.
Yeah. And we've only had half...
Half a load, so we only want half a load of this, really.
Yeah, half a load of this and a full load of Agria. Got it. I got a wet bum. Yeah. Right, that's the small sea done now then, folks. So we got another 2 lorry loads coming as well, so should keep us amused. Hopefully they'll be here Friday. Oh, sorry, looking up. Down we go. Oh, nearly. Be alright with it or not? Is this all the crates from around the back or not?
Oh, hell no.
Alright, well, that's good.
I hope not.
No, it probably ain't. I just can't remember.
We've got time, we might as well clean them up. We've only got to do it once.
There ain't a lot else going on today, is there? All good? Yeah, I got some feet at home. I just had to put all the ones that need new feet to one side. Well, new feet on, folks. I got new feet at home. Have you got that in third? Or is it in second? Gentler on things, isn't it? Gentler on things.
So I've just come to the farm. Dad is fixing a light on the JCB. So I'm just gonna go see, I'm just gonna go watch him do that, see if I can get some good footage for you guys. What's he doing? Watch him. Can you see? Because it'd be on.
So that red light means it's not on or it is on?
Yeah, when the red light's on, it's on.
Okay.
Are you paranoid, Dad? You could get lost in here. What? You could get lost in here.
We got a light fell off, so I'm trying to fix another light on it.
So basic maintenance then.
Yeah. Just trying to find a different bracket to go on then. I'm just going to use this crappy old socket.
So
Still, instead of that bracket being bolted on one bracket, it's bolted on 2 brackets. Got a crappy old socket, and I'll just bolt it on with that so it won't vibrate.
So if you didn't have that little bit, what would you...
vibrate around on there and break off eventually.
Oh, okay, so it's just kind of...
So put it on 2 brackets.
Doing some makeshift DIY fixing.
Yeah. Farmer bodge.
Farmer bodge. We'll start calling you that, shall we?
Finished.
Do you want to do a little dance for me, Dad?
Do the dance. I'm still going on sideways, and the other JCB light was on now. I've just got this aftermarket light.
Nice.
Cunning plan.
You're a clever little thing, aren't you? Never underestimate Grumpy Grandad.
Lifetime of bodging.
This is not my first time.
All it's cost me so far is an old bracket, an old socket,
Yeah.
a longer bolt. Reuse the original JCB bracket. We've got to figure out the wiring next.
So, do you think that came off? Do you think that fell off in the storm?
It got broke off when I dropped a bale on it
Oh.
and bent all this. But I glued it up and it obviously didn't erodited it, but it obviously didn't work very well.
Right.
Cut the wiring off here and put some new terminals on.
And then, hey presto.
What's your uncle? Charlie's your uncle. Need to keep that pointing downhill if I can. Stop the water running into it. Always try and leave a loop on a cable so the water runs to the bottom of it. Drips off rather than run straight down, straight into your fittings. Right.
I'm watching you.
Don't like these bullet connectors, but I've got lots of them, so I'm using them up.
Hello.
Wonder which one's the live one.
Find out if you go flying.
And lots of electrical shocks, but it didn't ever affected me. Now I need my electric tester. I'll get you to switch the light on and we'll find out which one's the live one.
Okay. Let's have a look at it.
Just a multimeter.
So what does that help you do then?
Well, it can tell me whether I've got current. It can tell me it's got a tester on that just beeps. So that'll tell me if I can check fuses, things like that.
So it helps you with any electrical items on the farm, basically?
You can tell resistance on it. I don't do much of that sort of thing, but it can also tell you amperage, I think, on flow somehow.
Right.
I don't know how to do that much. I don't do
Okay.
much of that.
But that just
I know
helps
my
you,
limits, it's just
helps you fix the lights and other electrical bits and pieces on the farm.
crimping machine,
Let's have a look at that. Show me them again.
a crimper.
Right. Okay. Cool.
Just put it in there and it crimps it to the right pressure with different size dimmies for different sized terminals. As you've got yellow ones for bigger wires, blue ones which I've just used, and you've also got red ones for tiny wires.
Right.
Joiners and all sorts of things. Spade terminals, bullet terminals we call these. Everything you can think of just about.
Right. And then just spanners and wire cutter bits. This light's on. Yeah, there you go. Your head.
Got a tree with that the other night at 1 o'clock in the morning when I was clearing the road. And the tree had fall down, so I've got to get some bits for that.
So what is this bit?
It just takes electrical power to the front.
Okay.
To this valve. There's a screech when the boom goes right out. So I'm trying to figure out what that is, as well as a metallic screech. So something's catching somewhere it wasn't catching before, so it is now.
Right.
Trying to figure out what it is.
So in order to try and figure it out, you need to try and look down this boom bit here.
Yeah, from the other end. It's up there.
So something's going wrong in there.
3 meters.
Oh, have fun with that.
It's not right in there somewhere, so.
How do you even start to think about how you could fix that?
Well, there's pipes running all through the middle there, so you start thinking there might be pipe clamps or something like that, and something might come loose. It could be anything.
Have you fixed something like this before?
Not on this machine.
Right, but on other machines similar?
Machines like our old John Deere, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So you've kind of got a bit of knowledge of...
You kind of hope you don't get used to fixing them.
Pain in the butt.
What does my face look like? It's sunburnt. Or I've got lipstick on all the time. Yeah. It's proper shitty out here. This is raining. Constant raining. So we just put together a few bits and pieces that my dad filmed. My dad was filming some of the seed getting dressed up. It was basically like a big old shaker, a gravity separator. So it shakes all the small seeds out and they go back in the heap and go off to be milling wheat. And then the big ones go to be next year's crop, because obviously we want the biggest and the best seeds. So I can't remember what else is on there, to be honest. It's 3 days of filming. So yeah, it's just been a really crappy week. Belting down with rain. So we're just cobbling together bits and pieces of what we've been doing. So yeah, I hope you like the video, guys. Like and subscribe.